Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Nico's Adventures. Today we are going to a home improvement store. Let's go. Okay, here we are, arriving at the home improvement store. Let's see what fun and exciting things we can find in here. Okay, we're just heading into the store and see what exciting things they have in here. Whoa, look at all the things around here. Nico, you having fun? Whoa, look at all the appliances. Let's go see if we can find what we need. Okay, we got what we need. Now let's go walk around the store and see other fun and exciting things. Oh, look at all these tractors here. Holy. A John Deere tractor? Oh, look at this ladder that Nico saw. It goes all the way up, but we can't go on it. It's dangerous. Only people that work here can use it. All the way, way up. Oh, look at all of this fancy lighting here. It's so bright. And look up, look what Nico found. Whoa, look at all of these fans up here. Whoa, so many fans. Whoa, look at this cool one. It looks like an airplane propeller. So many, bud. Look at all of the tooling here. Look at all the saws here. All of these tools. So many tools here. Whoa, look at all these drills here. And there's more on this side. Holy. And more over here. Oh, Nico, look at over here, all these. These are called impact guns or impact drivers. Look what Nico noticed. Whoa, a great big Canadian flag. That is so awesome. All right, it's time to pay for what we got. Time to go over here. Oh, we paid, and now we're leaving. We hope you enjoyed our adventure today at the home improvement store. See you next time. Say bye, Nico.